Typically, getting DFM feedback from your injection molder can be a challenge during the design stages, since the majority of molders do not get involved until after a purchase order is cut. In this video, we're going to go through the tips and tricks I've learned while living in China and working with manufacturers for over 13 years. I'm Cameron Moore, the Director of Overseas Manufacturing at Fictive. Getting molder engagement in the DFM process only after the tooling PO is released is many times too late in the game. Your product may be finalized and constrained by things like your PCB, your battery, and your wiring. Your design engineer may have moved on to the next project, causing difficulties to go back and make changes. Or your program deadline may be missed if the product's not ready for manufacturing because you can't cut steel. The principles of injection molding and the physical behaviors of various grades of injection molding plastic are established and repeatable. Factors such as material, part finish, tolerances, wall thickness, parting line, undercuts are important to your design and most important to your success. A great tool during the early stages of your design is Fictive's online manufacturing platform. We have automated much of the DFM process to allow you to get quick and instant feedback with your designs. Just create a free Fictive account, upload your 3D model, and select injection molding from the process option menu. Preliminary DFM feedback will be instantly available. Down the road, when your design is nearly ready, submit the file for our final DFM report. Our team of DFM engineers will provide a full DFM report within 24 hours and free of charge. Our account executives and manufacturing engineers are available and eager to review their DFM reports with you, so that when you're ready to release tooling, Fictive is ready to start cutting steel directly.